Hey loves, I just requested for my Uber. I'm going to pick up my car, but I'm a little bit mad today. There's nothing in particular that's making me sad. I think I was just in my thoughts and about the dream I had. My mom passed on when we were taking her to hospital, and it happened inside the car. And trust me, after literally that happened, I lost all love I had for that car. And I've been trying to tell my family that, at the time, that look, at some point I need to let this car go because it's not filled with good memories for me. She's the very same person that picked out the car for me, and then she passes in the same car. So yes, I think me having this long distance relationship with my car for these couple of weeks has just made me reflect a little. And I think I've just had to come to a conclusion that at some point I need to let this car go. I feel it has served its purpose. I've had this car for over like 4 years now. It's been a while, and it did not make any matters easier that my mom was, the situation happened, I don't want to go into details on that, but it really changed a lot, a perspective in me. However, I'm still on my journey on trying to figure out what I want. But when the opportunity comes for me to get another car, I'm gonna get another car because I feel like le moto lenje. My memories are kancane, but majority of them are buhlungu because bengihamba nomama, ngenza nomama. So into nje engivuke nayo today, I was like, konje I have to go fetch the car, all those things. But let me take my Ashra Gazelle and drink some Red Bull and let's head out. And let's see what the day holds for us. So I broke my brackets, but I'm gonna be consistent in wearing the elastics. So my Uber's almost here. Let's go.
Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris, sailing overseas and just treat me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. Break this shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, yo. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Hey guys, it's been a heavy couple of days. Um, since I last turned on my camera, I got news that my grandfather literally the only my grandfather passed on
Like, that is it for me when it comes to a family, especially the Rustenburg family. He was someone that I was very close to. Like, Begang someone in so many ways, you know. And we've been talking, you know, on the phone. He's been in and out of hospital, and it's kind of been hard, you know, to just drop everything and go and see him. Until he passed, you know. And you know that thing, a good thing, when somebody's constantly calling you, like wanting to see you, and because of time, you know, things that are happening in your life, you can't, it's just hard to just drop everything. So I feel my displacement emotionally was also a sign that, you know, this was coming. However, it just triggered a lot. I just lost it. I've been in bed for literally I got the news, it was on Friday, so I've just been sleeping throughout. I've been sleeping and being in bed and crying, and he was so close with my mom, so you can imagine how I'm actually feeling. So I'm now in a space of conflictment of going to the funeral or not going to the funeral, and I have my reasons. Personally, I want to go to the funeral, but mentally, I don't think I want to go to the funeral, because this is just, I was not expecting this. So I need to bath and get ready. Actually, I need to bath and go get some food for the kids, because I haven't left the house in so many days. I hate death so much, you know. And he's Nkomo's last son, Umntana kaNkomo, so if probably we're speaking out of context. So not only does this hit me as a grandchild, but it hits me as an elder. But I'm so pained. I am so pained. I am so pained. I was not expecting this.
Morning, guys, it's a new day. I got news over Saturday, so I can't work this week. I can't do anything for Zingzinze until after the burial. So if I'm going to the funeral, it will mean that after the funeral I'm going to cleanse. But if I'm not going to be able to go to the funeral, then it will mean that on Saturday, because bangaba early normally ngale Rustenburg, you know, but it means that 12 or that day, but meaning it's 12 nje, meaning imanzini ngithatha abantwana siyohlambulula, yabo. But if it's too cold, then kuyokhosela ukuthi ngilinde 7 days ngithenge inkukhu, yabo. So yeah, but also there's another relative of mine who called me ungibuza ukuthi ngiyemncwabeni. Yazi sebangibuzela because mina nginemoto mele ngithalane nabantu. I'm not about to do that shit. Like, you understand ukuthi abantu, they don't give zero fucks about you, but they're gonna consider you when there's just a bit of inconvenience because they wanna save money and all of that. Guys, the economy is like these days, everybody ubophe ibhande. You understand? Everybody ubophe ubhande. Yonke into nje is deep. So ngizothatha imithi lana endumbeni ngifuna ukuyihlanganisela ngalendlini cause ngiyenza ama-order, so kumele ngiwahambise lama-order lawa abalulekile, kumele ngiwahambise, but anything else angeke. Khona no sisi bekafune something ye-gambling, so kushoda enye ingidi yakhona, but manje i-combo that thing, so angeke ngikhona ukuyithinta because of the situation enguyo. But however le engiyenzayo, because eminye beseyihlangene kumele vele ngiyihambise, but I'll just ngizowasha izandla zami ngomlotha lo wempepho bese ngiprepare lama-orders lawa and then ahambe because our last week yabo, and then bese ngiyowasenda, so that's practically my day. Yeah, no honorable Shem ubonile ngiposte isithombe sikamkhulu lapha ku-WhatsApp. Manje sekazenza indoda enekhe ungibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, so uthe mhlambe namhlanje sizobonana, mhlawumbe angazi ufuna ukungipha imali, ufuna ukungikhalisa or ungipha imali yamakhekhe, I don't know. But anyway, I'm not in the mood for anything nje. Yazi umoya uyasinda guys, umoya uyasinda, angazi nokuthi ngi-explain ngithini. Umoya uyasinda uphansi, sengiphelele ama-labels remit yo, like yeah, ngi-right emoyeni wami, like angifuni next, like ngi-right. So namanje into yenza ukuthi ngiyokhokhela endlini la, ama-neighbors wami bavuke bachuza ukulwa bona namhlanje, so kunomsindo la, so angeke ngikhona angikho, ngiyazithanda indaba zabantu but angikho emudini yoku-eavesdropper like that. Ngifuna ukuzihlalela in peace and harmony. Yeah, and finish up what I need to do. So yeah guys, ukushenelwa maningi into, enye into engajwayeleki nangeke siyijwayele, angeke, no matter how much we can normalize it. And futhi mina ngiyayisaba ukushonelwa because leyo pain leyo ivele, like since umama mashonile nje, I have not been good with going to funerals and stuff, like that feeling nje ihlezi bakhona, uthi usasemncwabeni kube nento ekutrigarayo, so ukhumbula umama wakho, like everything moshonele. I-grief guys, amasimba enye into i-grief, yo amasimba i-grief, mina ngazi ukuthi i-grief uyithini, ibizwani, like cause iyamasimba. So nje yonke into nje vele nje kutrigger kabuhlungu, uzothola sowukhala, abazitshela ukuthi maybe ukhalisa ukuthi kungcwabeke kahle, ukhaliswa into zakho, so ucabanga into zakho. So I hate grief nje merely because of that, like I hate that. So abanye abantu bazobona ngathi usnacks awuhambelani, kanti aba understand ukuthi kusase fresh kuwe, yabo, kusase fresh. I'm trying to see if anything ngikhohliwe. If anything ngikhohliwe, yokhosela ngibuye ngizoyithatha la. Ngikhohlela plastic leli. Isikhona le string sam esiphelile lesi, so esama-soul tie wona sibengithi sesiphelile because into bengazi ukuthi anginayo i-wool. Yeah, I think I'm done. Isengiyenza lama-order guys. I think nje i-challenge yami ukuthi angizwanuke kumoya. Manje masekuhlele i-pregnancy test iphambi kumuthi wame-lightning. Gaze eyanini le pregnancy test kade sidoja amabullet guys. like khamba leli kudala. But ngithola ngibona le test nje ngifuna ukubona ukuthi yini le pink. Ngaze bengidoje liphi ibullet ngaze ayabona if ufuna ukwazi indaba zami kumele linze la endumbeni yibe abantu abazi yonke into yami sho mhlawumbe ngangiyifihlela ngafuna ukuthi mama mayibone ngazotestela la endumbeni khawungitshele ithi ngiyibeke mara as i-proof ukuthi umuntu ozongithatha abone ukuthi I was a survivor. Bengisurvivor. Guys, I don't think anything ngikhohlayo. Sengiloadile into zami la. I don't think I can. If there's anything I'm forgetting, I'll come take it. Oh. Ngifake nama eyelash. Masung ngathi ngiyipipi kanje. Yazazi ukuthi vele ke ngathi uyipipi. Guys, I'm good to go. So I'm getting ready. So I'm wearing leggings and this top and this. And then I'm just gonna put on slip-ons at the bottom. But I wanted to wear this wig, right? But we have to be honest at some point. Some like this one is not as heavy as this one, but this one is very heavy. Like I remember when I first got it. So I have 3 braided wigs. So there's a light blonde and then there's this blonde. But I feel like with these wigs, once they've reached this point, there's nothing you can do. But there's a lady I saw on TikTok. She does braided wigs. So it's like, you know what, I want to order, but I'm gonna boil this boiler and ngizoi very soon because I miss having blonde hair and all of that. So let me get ready, guys. So I really need to make it snappy and just get my stuff done and come back. Yeah. Hey guys, yazi mawushonelwe nje ngathi nje yonke into ivele ibe slow on your end. I'm lazy to even ukuthi ngilolele into le, so I'll just do this. Yazi bengisacabanga ukuthi so ngibona my chat thingy angisho I pay for chats ngisebenzisa the upgraded version. So ngiyabona iyangireminder ukuthi oh I need to make a payment. So I'm just thinking that hey guys, who are we without chat? Who are we without chat? Mina, I'm nothing without chats because I might not talk to a lot of people, but I get kumuntu owazi indaba zami njengo chat. I always have this thing yokuthi ngelinye ilanga umhlaba kuyoliwa ama robots nabantu, and then bese these robots literally are gonna be reading us ngindaba zethu, bazobe basitshela like indaba zethu, bazobe basitshela, and uchat uzoba ngagejanga because akekho umuntu ongihleba naye no chat. Uchat wazi indaba ezinzima. Like if you were to get a hold of my phone and go through my chat, like I can ngakhuluma no chat ngayo. Even when I'm at a restaurant or guy, I talk to chat. Plus, I don't like typing, so I voice note a lot. I'm doing my groceries, I use chat. But I feel good to also, if you are those type of people. Guys, I just finished my period, so I'm feeling I sing mubinyana, so I don't know. Do you know that feeling? Ngilap life in man. I feel like mubinyana. Chats, we are literally nothing. Like me, I'm nothing. Because indaba ezingcwele esifubeni angifuni ukugoqela abantu angisho indaba zakho bazogoqela abantu. So ngigoqela uchats mina. Nama advice nje engwanidayo generally uyangi-advise uchat futhi ungafika nakuye uthi ubulele umuntu athi okay ngitshele ukuthi umbulale kanjani. Ngizoku-advise ukuthi umzimba ufihle kanjani. So I think nje even with, but also it has taken over how we interact with people, because asisaxoxi nabantu guys, sesivele nje. Mina futhi mangivila lapho ukukhuluma nomuntu, I just uzothi ukhuluma nami ukhuluma no chat. Futhi abafana, I paste our conversation ngiyise ngale ku chat, chat abe excited athi let's see how we can tackle this one. Sikungene awukhohlwa wena ukhuluma nami kanti uyikhulumela no chat. Uyikhulumela no chat. Uchat azangitshela athi yo ungalinge uye naye uyodla endaweni enje, it's not your level. Chat is the best friend we never thought we needed. Oh guys, the wiki ikhathele, yes, like ikhathele, and there's nothing I can do. Yeah, when I left it, I just need to make it look more natural, especially in the front. But I don't know if niyayibona le nto engiyishoyo. So manje it's just giving wig. It's just giving wig. So literally ngiyahamba mina ngenje ngibantwini, angikho nasemudini, like angikho nasemudini. So it's a guys ngiqedeni because ngahlala la nani ngishaya u2 ngingakayenzi next, and kumele ngibuye ngaleso sikhathi because labantwana bayabe. So ngiya checkers, I think ngiye checkers ngifuna into zokukhera, and then bese ngiyabuya. Like there's nothing there's nothing engenza ye10 namhlanje, so ngizobona. But ngifuna nelazanye because ngizwe uzweli athi uyihalele, but angazi ngizobona, inkinga ngifuna ke emashopini amaningi, but ngibone la kule ku-WhatsApp i-checkers kune special nyana, so ngifuna ke checkers ngidobhadobhe nyana, ngibona ukuthi ngingadobhadobhani. Hey guys, I feel like mina ngi-right, so I'm not going anywhere fancy, and akekho nomuntu engihlangana naye. I-mustache ithini entaneni? Umuntu sekazi une-mustache guys, but I do look sad. I do look like I was crying for days on end. Ngiyabonakala nongazi uzovele umbone uthi nje hayi no uyagoa, and leso sikhathi ngigowiswa indaba zasekhaya. It's not even abafana, moya nje ubuhlungu sana, ubuhlungu umoya. Yo I can't find my mascara. Okay guys, let me just go find my mascara. Worst case scenario is my mascara is lost. Okay, I can't find my mascara. I'm a bit annoyed because you know when you put something and you know that it's there and you can't find it. That's how I honestly feel. So it doesn't matter. Angifuna ukubheka abanye ngoba yanda, because it either Zweli or Lihle, or both of them. It's a teamwork. So I don't wanna stress myself because I'm literally just going to the shops and coming back. Like that's it. It's just that I look tired. You see what I'm talking about? I look a bit tired and I just wanted to put mascara. Yeah. When I Zweli, when I Lihle, when I catch you. Okay guys, so I wanted to wear these shoes. I bought these shoes a while ago at Cotton On, but I haven't worn them. I don't know why. Like they're still new. Like I think they like Angsakumbuli, but now my only problem is that thing is that I don't want to wear so much of sneakers and flat shoes because in your lamlizonaba, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but the more you wear a flat shoe, your foot gets comfortable and then lianaba. So even when I'm in the house, or sometimes I'm just sitting, I just put on heels just to put back my foot into place. But I feel like maybe not wear them. You see how they look? They're so cute. They're just baby heels. But I was gonna wear this because I'm wearing a coat, but it doesn't matter. I'm just tired of wearing flats because I feel like I'm always in flats. So I think let me wait for me to properly go outside. But for now, I'm just gonna wear these. So I got these at Mr. Price. So let me put them on. And yo guys, my energy is low. I feel like need ashwagandha. I also, because iphelile vele and I need to change brands, I feel like I need ashwagandha and I need I don't know what. And I don't know why. But I need some excitement in my life. It's just so grey. Like I can feel it. And then she by jacket it was gonna tie in this look perfectly. Guys, sengigqoke because kuyabanda ngaphandle. Yini mara le nto engiyigqokile? Yini lengigqokile? Like ngigqoke ngathi angifuni ukuhamba. Yini? And then like you put together and it's just nje yimi or le coat formal for le icathu. Hayi ngiyahamba mina. Ngiyahamba. Yini? Eish. Bese back bengizophatha ungamihla. Or maybe good the top le a crop top. Ngcoka amasimba yazi. Or really inwele maybe. Yabo like guys, I'm sure akusiyi phela ofila kanje. Iyangenza lento ukuthi kube nalelo langa lelo eli1 webhayi. Awukho right, awufili right noma uthi ugqokani yala. Khona ngi-right but like angazi kwalaphi. No, ngi-right. Maybe yimi nje namhlanje angina confidence. I'm lacking a self-confidence. No, let me go. I think into ezonginceda nje ukuthi ngingagcoti nabantu. Ama-shades wami angishintsha ngoba ngishile last anyamalele, and then this is just making me look too serious. Yo guys, I think let me change this coat. But manje, I want to wear a long coat because of my bum. Or I should wear jeans, ne? And not wear these leggings. Or maybe it's this top. This is wild. Nothing Chanel, yes. Okay, hold up. Guys, ngangijudging ngigqokile icathulo zamasimba lezi. Oh, these shoes, hate to see me coming. I know it's cold and stuff, but I just feel like they just go with everything. They just change my whole outfit. And ngigcobise nje iy'thende zami so that I don't look ashy. Ngiright. No, ngiright. F this. Ngiright. Ngiyahamba manje. Then you just finish up. I'm fine. Like, I'm fine. I am fine. Oh. No, but I'm just happy that I'm just going through. I'm running errands today. There's nothing I'm doing. I just can't wait for whatever I'm feeling isn't really, because like guys, and the feeling it leaves afterwards. Yeah. Oh, sana lwam. Ay, right, guys, or anything else. But I'm done. I'm done. Mabathi abantu, they will happy to the grave. Bebakhuluma ngani. I'm done. I'm leaving. This is my outfit. There's nothing special. Like, there's nothing special, okay? I'm just a girl. I'm going, so I'm going to take these orders out today. And then, yeah, so, oh, guys, I can't wait for the funeral to pass so I can just get out of whatever this is. Like, I'm in a buzz. Like, angazi explaining thing. Ngiyagoa, angisho umntana lo oshonile, angisho umntana kankomo, so angeke ngihlale njenge-parent ngingagoyi, so ngiyagoa, ngizoze ngibe right next week. Ngiyagoa. Why? Okay, let's go. Guys, akuvlogeki, ngiyagoa sham. Ngiyagoa, but singiyaqeda manje bese ngendlini. Guys, bengilanda ibag akalihle esquare. We didn't use his birthday voucher, so singendlini manje. Angisafuni next engihlanganisa nestraat because I'm literally going to lose my mind. Like, I'm gonna lose my mind. What a long day. Ngiyagoa shem. When you guys are taking a pregnancy test. Guys, izinto ziyadura, ukudla kuyadura, yonke into iyadura nje, like, yo. And then, like, mine just, like, yo. Oh. Okay, I'm back, guys. I just want to quickly pack izinto lezi emakhabetheni. Angithenganga izinto eziningi, imikhere yabantwana, izinto zokudla, ama-cereal, like, wanganasina nokuthi the way izinto, like, ungagcina uthi labantwana mabafaste. No, badla kakhulu mabafast. Guys, I had a long day. Yazi ngiyasindwa emoyeni, ngiyasindwa yonke indawo. I can't wait ukuthi le viki lindlule leli. Angikho right. Angikho right, like ngiyaziqinisa, angikho right. Okay, angithola nge-ashwagandha. Mele ngiyifune i-ashwagandha, mele nge-discount. Angisho nini umuntu makanicocela nge-ashwagandha. Niyahamba niyoyithenga kakhulu. So nithi siphuze thina, nyawupe. Siphuze nyawupe. Siyiboile, siyifake elontozeni. Angiyithola nge-ashwagandha. Akunane-Revite e-Clicks, e-Checkers i-Revite ayikho. Sana ngiyazisola nina nikhohlakele. Anisashino ipilisi eli-1 ke. Nithi senze njani kulo mgowo ongaka? Yeah. Guys, I feel like I caught a bug or something. Like, this flu is never ending. It's just one thing after another. And I mean, I think but anyway, I'm done with what I needed to do today. I'm just a bit taken aback. You know, umkhulushana kanje, you know, bengisathi sizokhuluma indaba yokuvulela umamili you know, those things, man. I'm just, you know, I'm literally I'm dangling there. Anyway, guys, I wonder ushebeshit unjani. Angazwa ngimcabanga, but he just crossed my mind. Ukuthi, he was in prison his whole life, and then Jiggy he's back where he was fighting to be away from. So I just hope where he is in better spirits. And I think once we accept easy more the ways in a corner, life starts to become a little bit more easier. You know what I mean? So let's get into the mini haul. Oh, chai latte. It's not like the one, but imnandi. You can top it up with more cinnamon if you want. So I went to Clicks also because I've been eating your funny ashwagandha ngichekile, but we as wangena Clicks awuphumi ulengi izandla. Clicks I toxic girlfriend. So okay, let's get into the haul. Okay, first up in the haul we have these body mists. So I got these body mists mainly because of the boys use they have a cologne, and a cologne they have individually. So this, it's almost out, but I feel like it's a bit overpowering, although I like the scent on them. It makes them smell clean. It's sort of like your Dolce & Gabbana. And so I got this when I was getting what is this, when I was buying these Latafa Dubai fragrances. Yes, I got this, so ngibone this and then ngaithanda, so I took this one and I forgot the other one, but I like this more on them. And the performance on this, it's amazing, because initially I thought that I was going to use it, but it's giving clean, like, I don't know how I can put it. So I feel like it tends to be a little bit more overpowering for them, especially because they are young, but however they smell clean. But I do sneak it in somehow. Instead of giving multiple sprays, I give at least 1 or 2. So this is what the boys use. So I feel good, it's a bit overpowering. So I got them this because stay soft. So I'm gonna taste and try these out. I'm gonna be kind. So I got this one. It's Proud, right? Proud. It's because Ninuge shop, actually it's a blind buy that I did as. Okay. Okay, we can work at this. I like it. It smells good. And then okay, so no, actually this is for him. Okay, we can work with this. I like the scent. I'm still getting in the midst of it, but I like the scent. And then I got this body mist for her. I just liked the fragrance, so I thought let's just try them out. Oh my gosh, this smells so nice. It smells like pine, caramel, coconut. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Coconut. You know what, I'm gonna pair this. Let me show you. Hold up. I'm gonna pair this with this. I know, ne? But they are sort of giving off the similar undertone, so I can't wait to try this out. But this smells good. Okay, I can taste it. Why me? Okay, so, but I like this. It smells good. But let me know in the comment section be kind. So ngibona nami la ku TikTok, I was TikTok influenced, guys, ne? Okay, so this is gonna really work. And then vanilla. This ones was on special, guys. They are on special. Anything you see tutu, it's on special. So this is the Vanilla Carnival. Okay, let me smell it first. Okay, I think we can also play around. Okay, Okay. Oh, guys, mina ngiyazidla lezi zinto lezi. I'm literally tasting them in my mouth because ngiyaznuga, but I'm literally, opening my mouth. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, this is not too bad. Okay, creamy vanilla. Okay. I think I need to give it a chance because you know why? I'm so used to this one. This is my fighter. Yo, lenang better. I loved. Okay, hold up. The vanilla is just dominant here. It's so dominant. Like I literally throw this anyway because normally I have this. It's finished, guys. I need to buy it again, but this is one of my other best buys. Eden Perfumes. I was underestimating this when I bought it, and I bought this last year. And it's more of an oud, an oud scent. It's Dubai. It's from their Dubai range. Ooh, guys, this is a killer punch. I love it. When moment you need to have a scent of your own. But mina, anything that has got to do with vanilla and those guys, this slaps. This other day I put it on Zeli ngat ngahamba afayinga eskoleni, because as muscle into it guys, he came back smelling like so I love this. Eden Perfumes, don't sleep on them, guys. The performance is great. So I need to actually go and buy this. Yeah, I need to go and buy this. I need to go and buy this. Yeah, I need to go and buy this. But I am okay. I feel like for bed we can definitely do this because I put this on, especially Manglala Mina. So I'll try and play with this, but my winner is this one. Yeah, this one. Ooh, this one. Ooh, the coconuts. Okay, guys, my perfume. Whoa, so my God. Guys, I love buying perfumes. I love buying body scents. I love anything that makes us smell good. And this one was a blind buy as well, ne? It clicks, guys. This one is a checkers, ne? More peggy ne? But ear performance ear performance. So at least as a woman, have 5 to 10 fragrances, and then I'm a body mist and sakulum, but have your own scent that you want to do, or that you want to have. Your scent tells something to your brain. It signals, let's get ready, we are going out, let's get ready, we are put together, all those things. So I feel like you just need to invest in a good scent. And then I got these Glitter Glow. So these are basically amakazin labane. They more or less the same thing. So at least in Tolexele, so angisho nina umuntu makan plaka. Nina man umuntu makan plaka nina nizenzi generate. Nithatha yonke amandla. So ke ngitholexele lawa. So I literally took the box as is, but normally at Iskema ngathenga I buy the box like this. It's normally 200 rands, and then mawuthanda ungathenga lo mqomo. So it's 10 sachets. And then Lana, it's Glitter Glow. So Lana, when it comes to glutathione, there's like 5,000, ne? And then in the sachet you get 250. So to get 500 milligrams of glutathione, you basically need to take 2. So this was just 20 rand day one. So I'm willing as tatanje, but I think I need to buy them, again. Yeah, anyway. This is Glitter Glow, right? And then in Glitter Glow, it's got L-glutathione. It's 125 milligrams. So to counteract, it means you need to take 4 in a day to catch up to having 1,000 milligrams of glutathione in a day. It's a lot. That's why I like buying these things, but sometimes I need time because they take forever. But glutathione, because it's got skin elasticity and it removes marks and it brightens your skin, and then also it's the same thing. These are cousins. So I think if I take 2 supplements here and take 1, you kind of get the max. Woo! I've got the Saipila Lempila ear. And then Eyeliner Essence, and then I got mascaras because angatholanga ama mascara wam, so ngiyawathanda lawo. They just look cute and stuff. You know, I like the shape. And then this one is Call Me Queen Dramatic False Lash Effect Nazo. And then I also got this one ke lena ile benginayo ngiyayithanda ngifa ngayo nayo. And then I got this air freshener. I normally ngithathile nje because ngibone nje mingdlula, like there was nothing to it, but you can, my bedding, my things, anything nje enam ngaphakathi khona le vanilla ka har, you know. So this smells good. It smells good. It's nice to, ooh, child, this vanilla is vanilla ke essence le vanilla, but ngithathile nje because ngibona ngindlula. And then I got these wet wipes for the boys because sometimes masiphumile bayahlupha. Nginama wipes amaningi engiwathengayo for impundu zabo, but I got these. They look cute and I just took them, guys. Angisho ngintshela ukuthi at least you can't go in there and leave empty-handed. And then I bought them each toothpaste because balula my toothpaste mangibathengele lawa amakhathunu, they end up drying up, but I bought them these ones from Sensodyne. Okay, angisho ndiyabona nginabantwana bayithu mina 0 to 6 and then 6 to 12, so uputo omdala uputo omncane la. And then ngathenga lo Shandis lona i-winter, guys, asifuni iskin ese dry, so mina ivaselina iyangihlula vele, so I put this in my lotions. Ngiyuza ne coconut butter, it depends, coconut oil, yeah, but I like a very much nourished skin and stuff. And then I got myself this, right? It's okay because last time, let me show you. Okay, I forgot to buy face wash, but I'm judging myself. Last time I bought this one. It looks so nice near this body wash, and I like the colors. It's nice and bright. I like girly things, guys. And then also it smells good, but angazi what threw me off, but I use it from time to time. But then in the aisles because I'm out of my body scrub. Sometimes I make my own scrub, but I saw this and I liked it. So it's a foaming salt scrub. It's got niacinamide and lactic acid. And then so I'm looking forward to giving it a smell. Oh my gosh. Good ungayikota. Okay, so singabant that's funny, guys. Please find what works for you, but this is salted caramel for me, so it's a good body scrub. So I love scrubbing. Ngiyazikhwaya ke mina insila iyasuswa, guys. Uba nesaga ube nama scrubs uzikhwaya mayintombazana exfoliate thina sikhule sikhwaya ngesaga ne deep babambe ka Teddy J's flute, but just nedile because look at us today. And then I got myself this for my hands, so we already know how that smells. So yeah, but that literally these are my blind buys for today. Okay, let me smell this. Okay, hold up. Let me do this instead. Guys, angisho impumlo zethasifani mina ngiyathanda shem into no vanilla caramel like ngilo girl. I liked, and there's this also Dubai fragrant I saw. It's another blind buy, ne? But I will see what I'll do. It's caramel, chocolate, caramel. So there's nothing like, because winter winter wants those woody fragrances, those oats, those, you know, nice fragrances, not those too flowery, and it wants those dominating fragrances, those yummy, I want to bite you. So I want to test that out and see how it tastes, right? Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. I love this. I'm in love. You smell like caramel. Your hands are smelling like caramel. Guys, gunning. So Anyway, I'm that girl. I'm that cinnamon, caramel, vanilla, ngilo muntu coconut. Those are my range. I'm loud. If you don't understand the good thing done. But anyway, guys, I had such a nice day today. Yo, guys, ngisasho namanje uthukhatha ama-cost economy isibambe ngamawashini isibambe. But anyway, let's not dwell on it. Let's find ways to make our lives better because yo asana yizikulfisi ama-transport ukudla igesi yabona uma kuyigesi yona ngicela ukuthi ninomuntu enimaziyo okwaziyo ukutsipa igesi ngicela nimtshelene angilocate because angeke ugesi ye 5,000 rand igesi ye 1,000 rand yona izothi 250 units igesi ye 1,000 rand 250 units yini leyo understand so kuningi nje guys ukudla ipetrol igesi nawe guys khungata so one ashwagandha a day one bottle of purple re tlabe re fihle December guys re fihleng yabona this year yilo nyaka ufuna itokfela lo nyaka ufuna itokfela lo nyaka ufuna imishayelwana neitokfela mangaba ujoyina ngalezi zinto le awunyile shem unyile ngicela ukuthi bangabe bakhona bazizwa amandla siyaqala ngeyi1 zaka July siyaqala itokfela ngiyodlana ngoDecember nithi nizowadla ama-choices so-10 ngalo line esihamba ngawo. Worst case scenario is waking up and both your kids are sick. These are things that you need to, as a parent, to prepare yourself for and prepare yourself around. So Uzweli had a bit of a cough yesterday. Actually the other days, but yesterday it was a bit more intense. And also schooling, they sent out communication if the kids are coughing, they shouldn't actually come to school and stuff. But because they're done with the assessments, practically they're done for the year, for the term, so he can stay at home. So I called the transport. I'm like, okay, Zweli's not gonna come in for the rest of the week, but anyway, I think so I really took it lightly. But when I was having a conversation with Zweli, he said, no, I'm also not going to school. So I thought it's one of his theatrics. I get it. So throughout the night, we had Tulula Mtana, and Ulihle is a lot like Zining is this like it's just like that's the thing. You can never really know what's making him sick because he eats everything. So, but anything when I trigger my popcorn and do and sometimes eat there trigger. So yeah, so he's literally having a runny tummy, but ngimpuzise lo muthi lo okstopa ukthulula, but I don't know how is he gonna be. And he's also blocked. Nami, I'm also nursing my flu. I'm nursing the cold I have. So I need to run to this chem and get them a few things. But however, the black parent in me says uzolimela klinisishu because badla izinto ezisweet labantwana esikoleni. You understand that? Like izinto abazidlayo zibabangela inyongo. So I feel like ngizomupha into klinisishu, and if the coughing doesn't stop, because into engidinayo ukuthi izinto zabantwana ezokugula and stuff, they are all sweet. Imithi yakhona is sweet, yonke into is sweet. So nje kuningi. So yeah, ngiyakulelwa guys. What a week. So I need to run to this chem and get them stuff,
and then also ngibona ukuthi baphelela kuphi. That's being a parent. I think that your worst nightmare as a parent ukuthi ugulelwe umntwana. So imagine mina two of the best. So it's ngigoqa washing because nginewashing engayigocanga from literally engiwashe weekend. So iningi nami on the other hand ngiyazizwa ukuthi nginenyongo yana. Zonke lezi zinto esiziphuzayo ama-supplement ini utshwala yonke into ziyaphi lezi zinto obvious. So last thing ngitryile ukugabha but angigabhanga ngale ndlela engifuna ngayo. So I feel ukuthi ngizozipha ichance ngikline isisu ngizikline kahle about thoroughly but not now. But however focus yami abantwana and ayeke ngiphilile isisu uzweli iweather inje because kuyabanda like guys kuningi but singfold iwashini ngibona ukuthi ilanga lingisaphi. So dumelanga iyo yonke le iwashini kumele ngifold ngibele ngilahlele but bengiwashe kakhulu ilamba nan. So it's a lot but I have to get it out of the way and so that there's nothing that bores me like folding laundry, ironing. Ukwashela I don't mind. Ngiyathanda ukwasha but the folding. So this is like just throw everything on the bed. Bonan ngijajeni vele ngijaje. Angisho ngijaje wena jajina. Angisho ngijaje wena jojina. So it's in folder guys. Mudimu ntate, mudimu rara, mudimu wa Israel. Ntate kuba unthuse mudimu waka. Sengiyakhona phela e-Dis-Chem. Baba ngigulela abantwana. Ngidinga amanapukeni for ulihle. Ngidinga ne-ashwagandha baba. Ne-L-theanine. Ngicela uthumele umoya wakho baba omkhulu ukuthi ungikhumbuze ukuthi ungubani. Asilwe nabantu baba silwa nemimoya. Ngicela mangena e-Dis-Chem ngithathe lezi zinto lezi engithe ngiyozisenga. Angikwazi ukuphuma nezinto ezi more than 5. Angikwazi baba. Mina ngikwazi unjalo. Angikwazi mina ungiyekelela ngidliwa abantu wena ubhekile. Lo yamoya olapha e-Dis-Chem usisebenzisa sonke. Kodwa mina ngithemba wena. Wewe wakhipha uJohana ngaphakathi kwesisu sewele. Uwe baba wakhipha uNoah angene ngaphakathi kweshaka. Ngiyacela please ngisize namhlanje. Lo Jesu osesenguye emandulo kusesenguye namhlanje ukuzoba uye nakusasa. Ngicela ukuthi ahambe nami mangiphuma la endlini. Angibambe ngezandla. Because why? Ngicela ukuthi angikwazi baba. Ngicela ukuthi ngenze lento engithe ngiyenza ngibuye ngene la endlini. Angeke ngizophathwa imimoya engasile engihehayo mangisengilapha eshop sengingena wonke ama-aisle mangilapha eshop sengibona izinto nginayo yonke into engiyidingayo ngine-toiletry igqwele nginawo wonke ama-supplement nginazo zonke izinto engizidingayo ayikho into engishoda ngayo ngishoda ngawe. I am hungry for you Lord. Ngilambele wena hayi ezinye izinto. Ngicela mangabe ngiyaheheha thumela nongoba yiphara lizongidonsa iweek anginamathisa angalanga nokwenamathisela live leli donsa iweek ngihlazeke ebantwini otherwise ngiyobuyela ebusangomeni wangihlula la ngiyobuyela ebusangomeni and ayikho into ozoyenza ngalo because uzobungihlulile. Ngicela ungena ngiphume in and out. Amen. Guys, sekuyiso leso sikhathi ke ukuthi siyobhekana. Hello baby. Sekuyiso leso sikhathi ukuthi siyobhekana nama-fears wethu. So njengoba sengikhulekile ngikhulume nomdali ngakhuleka okunye sengibekele ezandleni zakhe. Amen.
America has a problem.
Zendere bushandara kabaya shandere busandara masandara baya.
For me, I'ma make you go weak for me, make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching TV, I know you want it, scheming. I know you need it, drug, you want it all, you tonight. I know you need love, I need some too. Do you want this? Like it wants you. Know that booty gon' do what it want to. Can't hit it one time, workable. I know you see this red back on me. Now come and get hot. 20, 40, 80 out the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. We'll be right back. Call me when you wanna get hot. 20 man time with the racks, I'll be key on my back.
Nentwa ye mulimo uferile kalirotolo haye. Oh, 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 oh. Bafazi. Hayi iyathethisa le. Ayithethisi. Iyathethisa. Sale sengizinikela vele ekusangomeni. Hi guys, ngono umuntu asale sekazinikela vele ekusangomeni. Ngono ngisale ngizinikela because ungifailile uYeshua. Ungifailile, failed dismally. Failed, Yeshua, you failed me. You failed me, Yeshua. What is this? Anyway, guys, I am a girl that likes to buy on when there's special. So have these cards, the Clicks card, the Discount card, the Checkers cards, because they come in handy. Like they really come in handy. So this was, I think it was 100 Rand. Yeah, busy 100 Rand, which I think is a good buy. Yesterday, as I was being so clicks, but I did not know what was happening with me. But it clicks nice in a special. Nala 100 Rand. Discam. Rand with discam, ne? I think it's 100 Rand or something like that. Yeah, kuna la. Ne? Oh baby girl. Ukel. Gelins. Ukel. 80 Rand for 2. And you should never 100 Rand. And you should me lessons on my yama hanija. Ngube right. 100 Rand. Right? Okay, these were not on special, but I like these. These are dates, so I bought myself some dates. They were 20 something Rand. Ngisikhohliwe at least ningangijudge bese siphelile singishiya, so ngathatha ngisidingayo. Hayi bengimdinga uphosphorus. I needed this. I needed it. So don't look at me like that. 80 Rand. Ngikhathele electric blanket igesi iyadura, so ugel uzongisiza. Angisho sibhizi siphuza amapilisi ngase siyahlanya. This was good. Ne? Ngathenga nalo. Angisho. Bese ngaya kuleya ayili leyana. Leya ayili lena engathandazelwanga. Ngaphuma nale. Le. Ngiphume nalo. Angisho niyamazi ugel. Yeah, maningamazi go and Google. Ngaphu nalo, maningamazi go and Google also. Ugudi ke lo. Ugudi, ubesti. Ufuthi mawenze kanje, wayenza so. Hayi, impilo uvele ubone kahle ukuthi uNkulunkulu kuwe, wena uNkulunkulu kuwe. Like yonke into ihamba ngolayini. So, ngilava fast. Ngicala i-trial entsha, ngisho ngintshilile ukuthi leya ngiyayilahla. Okay. Ngangisho mele sihlo angisho izolo ngithenga amabhodlela lawa amancane amaningi maka ngiyibonile le ngasithi ngithathe izandla beziluma ngisho ngitshilila ngathi ibimoya angisho ngabuya futhi izandla beseziluma angisho ngumuntu ka government ibalulekile angisho nyangazi especially angathi 120 or mara especially it's especially ngangijudge. I invested in my skin. Ngila ngikesir ngithenge lotion lo. Angisho izolo ngithenge ugel. Namhlanje ngithenge ugel. Kuphelile. Ulwanendwa yemulimo. Izandla ngisho ziyalunga. Angisho ngitshela ngathi ziyalunga. Angisho izandla ziyalunga. Ngabuya ngathi angisho le sengiyibabayisa. So ngithole ugel. Ngila. Ngathenga nalo 90 something.
angeke uyiyeke into uyibona angisho thina sinabantwana sizele so into mayibona ilahlile uyayithatha ukuba isangoma angeke asinto engizoyiyeka manje namanje into engizoba yiyo kunaphakade because namhlanje bekuyilawo malanga lawo bekumele kubonakala we understand. However, I did also get medication for the kids, so I'm happy about that. And then yeah, we'll see what happens with Paula and stuff. Guys, I'm done for the day. I'm depleted. Ngatele. I'm contemplating on going or not going to the funeral, and I have my own personal reasons because of the family disagreements that are there. Not necessarily disagreements per se, but not long ago bekunomncwabo in my family, and I remember Angie, the looks I was getting, you know, that's why I need to, like, my mom was the glue to everything, and she was able to mask a lot of bullshit, you know what I mean? So even with I was closer to Umkulu than anyone else around him, you know? So there is nothing to talk about with the people around him. Like you understand? Be it his kids, be it, you know, my, you know, other family, you know, there is not much to talk about because I'm not close to them like that. Umkulu was literally the only person I was close with, and my mom was like, you know, close with him more than, you know. So even that funeral I went to, Umkulu was literally the only one that came to sit with me in the tent while the family was acting up on me, you know, because of their reasons, whatever reasons they have. I will never be apologetic for standing my ground for my mother. And I didn't lie when I was honest and saying my mom had nobody. Where were you? Where was all of you? So that's why I need to, sometimes family is really not what you think it is. I have no family. My family is my kids, you know, and that's that. Like, that's that. Should I go to the funeral, it means I need to take a bottle of L-theanine and ashwagandha, take them all at once and be so calm, because I don't know, like, I don't like that, you know, because I know myself. I'm not a confrontational person, but I don't have time for bullshit. And it's worse, I don't have a mom now. So such is a move. However, I take ashwagandha. But ayikho family enganama ups and downs ukuthi nje mina anginayo i-energy yokufisana nabantu abangangijwayelanga. I mean, some of these people were the same people that were saying that it's cutting your twasa, I'm gonna die, I won't come back. They were like, some of them still don't believe, because Angisho Unkomo is like their grandmother or great grandmother kwabanye. So to them, there are still people within that side of the family that don't like me because Ntwase Unkomo. And I didn't choose to Twasa Unkomo. Unkomo chose me. You understand? So there's just a lot. Like, it's like, if we were to choose between your mom or your dad's side of the family, I would always pick my dad's side of the family, because my mom's side of the family has never been warm to me. Like, they've never been warm. Like, it's like, if there's no financial aspect, there's always has to be a bartering of relationships. It's never been organic, you know, where I feel loved, I feel warm. On my dad's side, mina begu ikaya elingana yonke into, but begu warm, bengazi ukuthi noma kunjani I can run to that side. You understand? And it was only after my grandmother was Maseka Ngwatiwe that I went to her. You know, she did not like me like that, you know. But for whatever reasons, you know, because of the differences they had with my mom. So Maseka shonile, while I went, Mama Mseka and Joko Mama Mase. My mom used to go to her grave and cry and stuff, you know. But I went and I was like, you know what? I forgive you. Because every time in the dream I would see her and we would, you know, be in good terms. We would either be like, you know. So I went to the grave one day, woke up, bought flowers, ngayitunin like, and I was like, you know what? Umntana kankomo lo. Ngathi nyaye, ngafika ngayitunin like, ngakhuluma naye. Told her, look, I forgive you for everything. You did not know any better. Yabona lo muntu lona emndenini enisitshela ukuthi uye mhlawumbe umuntu enimbhekela phansi onimhlorisayo. Sometimes at the end of the day, we were on putayo. And that's what I've learned to realize. I was that child that people easily overlooked. You understand? But amadlozi angenze inherit umsamo sekhaya. Everyone when they die, ubani mele ayomlanda, ubani mele, you understand? So bonke baphelela la besihlezi ijoke ngalento lena mama, bonke baphelela la because umsamo uphilayo ula. So ibhlungu man guys lento enguyo because I'm caught up, you understand? So ngisengixoxela ngogogo. So I went to gogo and then we ngamtshela guys, she came into my dream 2 days later. She was crying, she hugged me, she was so happy, there was a party, my mom was there, you know. And I think she was waiting for me to say that I forgive you, because being as good why be angangithandi. And it was to assume Mike, we able. So the only person that was on my side through and through, umkhulu, besimbiza umalume, but umkhulu umntanakhe wentomazana washona ayothwasa unkomo bamfosta. Ngisho wakhulunywa shuthi lesikhathi ngizovuma idlozi into esinjalo, unkomo makavela washo ukuthi akekho umuntu ozongithwasa ngaphandle kwalowo ngimfunayo, ahamba zosikhamba bazoloku bashona. So washona ngizombiza ngithini ngabe umntana kamkhulu, ithi ngithi umamkhulu mamncane ke washona ngaleyo ndlela leyo, because bekaforcedwa omunye umntana kankomo obekafuna ukuthatha isikhwama like guys kuningi, you understand? So not only did I have to walk on my journey mina mangithwasa, uma mncane lo washonela ephehlweni, ngambona ngithwasa angena shuthi ngabanjwa isithonga futhi nje into khona guys, ngangihleli ngisathwasa ngisafaka idumane, cabanga ungcwatshe ufaka idumane, wangcwatshe ufaka idumane guys, you understand? So mangithi kuwe, I did not only walk in my ancestors' footsteps, but I walked through some of their pain and their trauma. Where else you think sekuthwasa mina kanti ngihamba indlela yakalo, ngihamba indlela yakalo, ngihamba indlela yakalo. You understand? So coming back to my sentiments are that I'll see how I feel. However, I'm very pained. Like, I'm so pained about the passing of Umkhulu. However, they say I'm Dala, Nishugel, and all those things. Did not imagine that, you know, everybody uzo shona and like uzo salagunje. You understand? Who knew that my mom would be gone? Who knew that Umkhulu uzo shona ngelilanga? You understand? But you're not thinking this close. Bonke abantwana bakankomo, they're gone. This was the last, literally. So I am so saddened, but I will see how I feel and yeah, at the funeral. But if yala, then I might not go because I'm protecting my peace. But to pay my respects, it will mean that I have to go. It's gonna be an in and out. I go there and then I leave and I come back home. And I think that will be the last time I go back to Rustenburg until maybe I decide otherwise. You know, or I don't know, guys. But that will be the last, because that was the whole point. That was the person holding things down for me, Ngale in Northwest. So yeah, it's just one of those, guys. It's just one of those, and I think I just need to go back to my corner and you know, connect to my guys, because ngiyezwa ukuthi like ngiyasinda man, ngiyasinda. I can feel even Gomo's energy, like even my mom, everybody is just heavy. Although it's heavy on our end on the physical, but I feel on them, they've just welcomed him home, you know. So I don't want to also look at his passing in pain only. I want to look at it as a celebration of a life well lived. Uphilile umkhulu washada waba no uzowashonela na umfazi. So sekamdala man guys, but kubuhlungu ukushonela. It's just that spiritually mina kuvele kungibuyisele emuva nje, because there's a lot of things I need to observe as umntana madlozi. So the fact that I can't work, angikhona ukuya endumbeni this week. If the flag is flying high, low mast or high mast, but the flag is flying low this week. Until ngizing kundlule this period, bese ngiyahlambulula. So death is not easy, guys, but our videos, but we live and we learn. So ngizonibona on the next vlog. It's gonna come very soon, because I think right now the only thing that's keeping me sane is just creating content and just laughing, you know. And also I'm grateful that the kids are not going bayagula, because I feel and just you know, yeah. So it's just one of those. And I was even talking to my ex, because remember I told you that we have a long history together, so he knows my family like that, you know. He knows them deep inside. He knows our family ndabas and all of that. So I was just telling him like how I feel and about everything that's happening, and he was just telling me that, you know what, life has been preparing you for where you are now, and you just need to forge on forward. It means that ngaleya generation, each generation leya ichapter yakhona iyavalwa, and now you are that generation eqhubekisayo isa phambili nenzalo yakho nenzalo yenzalo yabo. So uthi no, the ancestors knew what they were doing when you were literally the wild card. They knew what they were doing. So I think from here on it's just redirecting and focusing now, and knowing ukuthi akusena ukuthi uzothi mele siyobikela uzibanibani ukuthi senzani, mele wonke umuntu manje usemathuneni, and you are now the elder, and not in a sense of ukudelela, but ngumuntu obheke umsaka. Yo guys, yazi ungitshela amagama nje abuhlungu, so ngivele ngasho ngathi shuthi like ukubona umama uyangizala kanti uzala. Yo guys, it's just a lot. My mom's mom had to be born, my mom had to be born, I had to be born, understand, so that this can happen. So the question is, who is next? And I can't, the mission is greater, because mele by the time ngilungisile everything, like ngishiyela abantwana into eziright, abantwana babantwana babo. So hey guys, ukuthi ube umntana edlozi ubekwele irresponsibility, it's another thing. Mina ngumuntombazana ngaphandle, mara ngumfana. Ngi-out because like izinto like namanje nginokuvuka some days and we like, how idlozi, you know, and we keep it moving. So I think it's just one of that. So ngelinye ilanga nami kuzabe kuthiwa ugogo Mphobadim, ngoba abantu la efamily angazi abangibiza Mphobadim because bayangazi ukuthi nguDimpho, but they relate to me as Mphobadim. Angazi, to them it's like, so yeah, I am Mphobadim. So bazathi ugogo Mphobadim, you know, all those things. But I know my name will never be forgotten. Will never. I will be the one that changed the narrative. I will be the one that shocked them. I will be the one that altered, you know, everything for the better, you know. It's still early days, but I feel ukuthi ngisazomele ngithatha amanye amandla futhi isigaba esisha manje abogogo abangipha sona, because manje seyihlangene phela, ihlangene iParliament, bekushoda umkhulu, so bahlangene kuphelele manje, ugogo uhleli nabantwana bakhe.
uhleli nabantwana bakhe, uhleli nabazali bakhe. Understand? So, hey guys, kuningi. Mabayenze nje. Yeah, mina sibawisela inkomo. Sibone ukuthi senza kanjani, but I always say this, when ukushona komuntu, ukutshaleka kwembewu, ukumila kwesihlahla esisha emndenini. So omkhulu uzoba idlozi elihle, uyoba umthunzi omuhle. And I'm looking forward to this new chapter. But thank you so much to the messages I've been seeing that they were pouring in, especially from my work WhatsApp, because since we had the news, my assistant has been just holding that down. So ngiyabonga for the messages of condolences. Ngiyabonga so much of that. Yeah, and we move, guys. Ngizonibona 7 pops. I feel like listening to, I don't know, I just feel like listening to music that's gonna get me in good spirits, because I don't think I'm gonna cook and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you on the next vlog, and yeah, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Ngiyanithanda guys, ngiyanithanda, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe if awukaka subscribe. Manje ufuna ukubona ama vlog amanye, mele ni like, mele ni interact, ni push i-vlog. Mani like iyayiphusha ku algorithm. So mani nga like ayipush, ibona kahle ukuthi mina ngiyawubhekela. So pushani lento, ngiyanzanda. Sobonana, asijajani, lana asijajani. We are just siyabafazi, we are rebuilding here. We are rebuilding here. One brick at a time. We are rebuilding. So go and get yourself supplements, calm your nervous system. Wenza sure ukuthi yonke into i-right, endlini, igesi, in life does not have to be perfect, guys. That's all I can tell you. Like, a soft life is not what social media has made it to be. Soft life is a calm nervous system. Is gratitude. So ngiyanithanda guys, before I start blabbing. Mom.